Installing your 240-volt outlet. The most challenging part was the installation of over 110 feet of 3/4-inch metal conduit and 6-gauge cable. Install garage conduit. I discovered how difficult it is to pull 6-gauge cable through conduit. Luckily, I took help from professional install house conduit. By far the most work, as I had to work from one corner of the house to the other, through a crawl space and then finished basement. Wire fuse panel, scary, but doable. Wire new outlet easy. Just like in the fuse panel, though, twist and turn the wires multiple times while retightening. After owning a Tesla Model X 2022 for 1 month, I finally installed a 240V outlet to get much faster charging at home than with the 120V standard. Seems like a real easy and dangerous thing to miss, as tight connections are a must with this amount of amperage. This is a standardized receptacle, commonly used for electric ranges and other large appliances. Installed with a 50-amp circuit breaker, the NEMA 14-50 enables a recharge rate of about 32 km/h for Model X and 37 km/h for Model S.